Now checking hold up, checking ESD value. Lid outside, front. Great.